Have you ever tried to play an audio file in your web project only to be met with an error message? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling the Howler.js error that says an array of source files must be passed with any new howl. I know how annoying it is when you just want to hear that sweet sound, but instead you get stuck with an error in the console. Trust me, you're not alone. This is a common issue for many developers working with Howler.js. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why do I get the error that says an array of source files must be passed with any new howl?" They were trying to play an audio file, but ran into this frustrating message. Sound familiar? If so, let's dig into this together and find a solution. So what could be causing this error? The Howler.js library requires an array of source files to be passed when creating a new howl instance. If you forget to wrap your file paths in an array, you'll see this error. Let's break it down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a pro tip at the end that will help you avoid this error in the future. To resolve the error, the user needs to ensure that the source files are correctly specified in the howl constructor. The error message indicates that an array of source files must be passed. Next, the user should check the syntax in their JavaScript code. The howl constructor requires the property src to be an array of file paths. In this case, the user should replace URLs with src. After updating the property, the user should ensure that the audio files are correctly located in the project directory. The paths provided in the array must match the actual file locations. Finally, the user can test the updated code by refreshing the browser and clicking the play button. This should allow the audio to play without any errors. Did you know? Howler.js was created to make audio playback easier for web developers. It's like having a personal DJ for your web projects. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution shared by another user highlights that the source property may not work consistently across all browsers. They found success using Chrome Canary. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution from another user suggests checking your sounds data object. They point out that in version 2 of Howler.js, you need to use rc instead of URLs for your audio files. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always double-check your file paths and ensure they are wrapped in an array. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should be able to play your audio files without any errors now. Remember, always validate your code and file paths. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our bonus pro tip on mastering Howler.js.